If you want to install and play games without the need to switch out disks over and over again, then in this simple tutorial, I'll show you different ways to install games digitally on your Xbox console. The easiest way to download games is by opening the Microsoft Store. And then you'll see the Featured tab. We can access the side panel by going left. And from there, if you go down to Games, you can access different categories like top paid, top free games, or most popular games. And you can also filter games by different genres. When you have found a game you want to install, select it and press install. But if you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you can also play games without installing using the cloud gaming feature. Now that the game is installing, we can view it in the queue. You can access the queue by going to My Games and Apps and then going down to Manage, then select Queue. And from here, you can pause, resume, or cancel downloads. And as Xbox can only download one app at a time, if you have multiple games in the queue and you want to install another game first, just highlight it and press the menu button. From there, select Install Now, and that game will install first. And this is how you can install digital games directly on your console. If you are away from home for some reason, you can install the game in advance, so that when you get back home, you'll be able to jump in the game right away without any wait. You just need to open the Xbox app, and then go to the library, and from there, select a game you want to install, and press Install on console. And this is how you can install and play digital games on your Xbox console. If you found this video helpful, you can support our channel by subscribing, and until then, keep on gaming.